Good communication is not solely based on having the ability to speak and write. To accomplish this, context and purpose are both important. Students will be taken through how language can be manipulated appropriately in preparation of arguments, critical discourses in an analysis, or even a regular conversation. That is why I will explain the 5 macro skills in order for us to know their relationship with each other. But first, let me introduce what is LAMC is. The Language Arts and Multiliteracies Curriculum, also known as LAMC, supports students in making sense of language. It is a curriculum constructed to capture the complexity of language education in such a way that students can really become learners in a very expressive manner. These are the 5 macro skills. The first one, listening. This skill focuses on understanding and processing spoken language. It is important that students are able to understand and interpret exactly what they hear as the basis for effective communication. Speaking. This is about clarity in respect to how ideas and thoughts are expressed. Through this, students learn to say what they have in mind verbally in a coherent and effective manner. Reading. Reading provides the basis for critical thinking development. The ability to interpret and analyze written text is nurtured within the strand by considering and understanding various texts. Writing. Through writing, it enables students to create meaningful text and persuasive writings. It finally arms them with the way of expression that are effective in communication. And the last one, viewing. Considering the fact that our world is continuously visualizing, there is a huge need to interpret and understand the visual text and media, which makes it an important aspect. It helps in making the student be quick with any form of visual presentation, analysis, and interpretation.
In conclusion, the macro skills are interconnected in a way that strengthens overall language ability and creating a comprehensive framework for effective communication and understanding.